Hello, my name is Mohammad Wasim. This is an appeal video, and my channel URL is www.youtube.com/conceptbuilding. This is the way I record videos from my cell phones, and this is I normally made videos by creating its content like this. It is a rough work of mathematical riddles and mathematical questions of shorts. Some of stuff are misplaced, but some of stuff is available that I have made the videos, and this is the way by which I choose to make a theme of my videos or my shorts. Microsoft software of Microsoft PowerPoint. I normally use this software, inbuilt software, to capture the screen recording of mobile phone, and some of videos I had edited through TikTok, by which my accounts, that is name of concept building as well. And here you can see some of videos. You can see I had uploaded, I had edited through TikTok by my account and make it to logged, not visible to all. For editing purpose, I use multiple software. One is inbuilt software of iPhone, and other software I normally used the KineMaster. You can see this video also I had created by KineMaster. At the conclusion end, I didn't take any video from any social media or anything else. I think I made a mistake regarding this. I edited it through TikTok or other social media. That is forbidden by reuse content, but it now 100% clear. I will not do it this practice again. Just edited it through my channel, my own channel on TikTok, name concept building, and I have shown it to you. So it is an appeal, and it is requested to monetize my channel again, please.